everyone. So today we arrived to Jot Fair Night Market. It's actually, they said, the brand new night market next to the Praram 9 MRT and next to the Grand Rama 9 G Tower. So because many people talking about this brand new night market, so yeah, let's explore how it is.
This is basically the MRT here, Rama 9, and as Winnie said, so many stalls everywhere around. And well, this is the main junction where we are heading now, and you can see so many stalls everywhere with so many different stuffs here. And now I can see the food trucks, and the market's gonna be somewhere into that direction. I hope so we're gonna find this out. Also, this place is just up of Asok. It's like 2 metro stations from the Asok Sukhumvit MRT BTS, so it's like very close location, central location I could say. And also so many cool food trucks here. Before we even enter the food court, the night market itself. By the way, look at this guy, he's singing full of lights, and that's the nightlife in Bangkok, just out of Asok.
So now we just arrived in Jot Fair Market. So you see that this, night market is just next to the Unilever building and next to MRT Praram 9. And yeah, let's see how hustle and bustle inside the night market.
They have a cheat day kebab cheese here. I like the name. Normally I feel like I want to have a shawarma kebab today for dinner. However, yes?
I want to have a juice.
Oh, this is the famous juice stall with the local lady, huh? Here you go. I want to have a juice from this lady as well. Isn't it? Nice, yeah? Okay, I want to have a juice. And so many people are coming to make pictures and videos here. I think this is the good marketing strategy if you are dressing like that. So if you're gonna sell nasi goreng, you have to do like that as well. So cool, okay. Let's have a juice from this lady here. Also the queue, as you can see, is pretty big. Now not sure as because of the seller or because of the juice itself. But many people coming and making pictures and videos, of course. So here we go. This is how does it look like. And well, maybe let's have a food first, huh?
You want to have a food? Okay,
yeah,
let's have
a look, stroll first. Maybe later we'll be a little bit quieter. They have a coconuts here. So many actually nice foods here, skewers, satays, more satays here actually. It's also not that easy to making videos in the places like this one because it's very busy actually. But it's very bright also, so it's actually good for the light condition. They're selling some nice goods here and this one. And there is the grilled beef here, the satay is also very nice. Yes, Sam, what did you wanted to say?
So one thing I just realized, there are so many young people here.
Let's go, let's have a look. They also have insects here in case if you would like to have it, like this one and this one and this one and this one. So you wanna have an insect?
Maybe I will try this one.
You sure? But
yeah.
I'm not sure. You sure about this one?
Yeah.
The insects like this one. On the picture, like this one, this one. You have to try. 60 baht for
60
one.
baht for one. 3 spoon.
3 spoon.
3 spoon.
Oh, you have to 3 spoon. You just want one piece. Okay.
I just want a 1 piece only.
Okay, let's go.
I don't want to have a 3 spoon then, and I will eat by myself. Okay, let's see.
I don't know what either. I just want a 1 piece maybe. Anyways, nice sausage here, satays. Everything is actually nice and clean. And the salads here and the fishes here. And there is the ice cream gophers. I think so, like this one. Hong Kong waffle. And they also have a bars with the drinks. It's not only as you can buy a juice or something, but this is this is smoky here. So many flavors everywhere. But Bangkok is famous for the many other YouTubers who are very popular and people coming from all around the world here in general. Another foods, that's the coconuts here and everything. This one is something with the chilies here. Not sure why, but it's also very, very busy over there. That's for sure. Check this out. People waiting in the queue.
What is this? Look at the queue, is so long.
Yeah, people actually waiting like, I don't know where is even the start of the queue. Must be so busy and so long. I don't know. Must be something good over there. Okay, let's
Oh,
explore.
this one is, oh, that's the food, honey, look. That's the food.
What food?
I don't know, ribs, something ribs.
Oh, okay, like this one. Okay, I see.
That's like a mountain of ribs.
Mountain of
You
meat.
can share
like
it with a
this
big family.
one. So cool. Okay. Now we know why it's so cool, yeah?
Yeah, so
Okay.
let's see different food
Okay,
there.
let's go. It's really so much going on here, guys. I'm gonna tell ya. If you are coming here, you can find out so many beautiful foods. That's for sure. Without any doubts, people enjoying the time. But it's also very busy. Yo, what's up? Yes, coffee selling juices. You wanna try juice?
What is
Thank
it?
you. Okay, you try.
Passion
lah.
fruit?
Okay, I will try. Nice.
Nice. Nice. See? Look at that. She just speak Thai to me and then she thought I'm Thai people. No, I'm not.
That's it. That's why you have to go to school. It's selling also hot dog and fries here, like this one, and so many other goodies everywhere. As you can see, people enjoying their time. I mean, it's very busy in the markets here in Bangkok. That's without any doubts, guys. And you can find many beautiful stuffs here everywhere as well, like these desserts, for example. Also, they selling the. I think this is exactly what I'm thinking in the jars here, actually, yes. But you have your jar with normal stuff, yeah?
Hey, this one healthy stuff, okay?
Okay, let's go. Let's
Let's
go.
go.
What else we have here? There must be some seafood here as well.
Oh, what
And
is
okay,
this?
what's going on here? Why so many people making pictures and videos? What's going on? I wanna see as well. Oh, maybe because of the lady over there, how she's cooking, huh? No?
Oh, this is you can eat the live octopus.
Really? Live octopus?
Live squid. It's called squid shot.
Sayang, I thought actually it's just because of the girl, not the octopus. But octopus, huh? Okay. Well, whatever you like, guys. I mean, you can choose which one you prefer more. I mean, that's normal, right?
How
so,
she cook?
so that is the octopus or what?
That's the squid, I think.
Squid.
The live squid.
All right. Let's see. Okay. She's cooking like this one. No, preparing. Only like this one. The girl's cooking something here as well. Interesting stuff. Little bit of traffic jam currently here. But yeah, in general, looks like this one. Many goodies. Something spicy over here, I believe, looks like. And they have even crispy pork. Looks like a little bit like a babi guling. Little bit. Okay, what we have more here? Something like this one, white onion sauce. I don't know what is it, but it looks nice and they're cooking nice. Little bit like a fish or something. Octopus and all of this other stuffs here. Prawns, like a really nice prawns here from different various countries, as you can see the flags on it, and fried chicken, of course, stuff like this one. More satays here, the guy or lady, sorry,
Oh,
actually.
so many
lady.
skewers.
So many skewers, check this out.
You wanna
And they are
order
looking
skewers?
really good. Would you like to have some skewers, Sayang, maybe?
Yeah.
Like
let's
a snack,
have it.
huh?
Yes, yes.
Let's have a look. So that's the satay's beef for 10 bahts per pieces. And they have a pork and they have also chicken ones. I wanna have a beef and chicken, Sayang. What do you think?
Okay.
Yeah. And also the guy is cooking here like a mixed ones, also very nice. This is like a kingdom of satays, literally. So cool. And we can sit somewhere there. They have even pantries like this one here. It's actually a very cool looking place in the city center of Bangkok.
Basically, this one is the chicken without the spice because Damian doesn't like spicy.
Yeah, let's try this out. Is it meat or skin?
No, meat.
Only meat?
It's so nice.
Okay, I will try as well. Unfortunately, there is no seat, so we have to stand next to the pantry. But it's okay. What is this one now? That's the pork one.
Sweet, I think.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Different
They put-
spices, huh?
Yeah, even with the spices.
But looks very decent.
Very nice.
Very nice satays. 10 for 100 baht. By the way, I would like to only notice how nice huts they have when they are cooking this. Like, you know, they have a little chimneys and everything is very clean here, isn't it, Sayang? What do you think?
Yeah, and super tasty.
Super
So good.
tasty. Okay, we need to taste tasty satays here. I wanna have this one. I wanna show you because they also having like you know, the beef ones like this one, the different type. They have big one, but they also have a salmon one like somewhere here. But they also selling the pork ribs here and some prawns. 200 bahts for the ribs, and I wanna try some salmon satays over there. So I'm taking the 2 salmon because I like salmons more than the meat actually. This is the salmons, and I just ordered 2, and the guy is cooking for me right here, and it will be cost me 60 bahts actually, which is very good. This satays is like a kingdom of satay. Thank you so much, brother. Very cool. Let's see how it tastes. Thank you, Kapang Kap. Okay.
Where are we going now?
Going to the bar, I need something fancy to eat my salmon. I can see they selling so many nice beers here in the food truck like, and also some nice drinks. Not sure though if they're selling just the Coke actually, but yeah, let's see. They should have. But so many beers and so many alcohols here in the food court, like in the bar. It's so cool actually. If you are liking stuff like this one, you can eat good and drink well in Bangkok.
What you buy, honey?
No, I just bought the Coke. I'm not gonna drink a beer today, but as you can see, very nice selections of everything here. Okay. Yeah, thank you, brother.
Oh, honey, now your turn.
Yeah,
What
that's
is
my
it?
salmon skewer. Can you imagine that? It's nice. It's like a real salmon fish. Very nice. Nice.
Wow.
Could be
So-
maybe more well cooked for me, but it's very nice.
Oh, so look at the people behind you eating and sitting. So what I can say, guys, this place is super packed of people.
And on the other side, they have a guess what? Another bar. This one have another even the beer singa from the keg, which is cool. Okay, some green desserts here, coconut pandan cake, like this one. I don't know what is the trend about this stuff here, but must be some very local trend. I have no idea, but looks like you can have some touch and buy some delivery. Well, what is this one?
I don't know what it is. As long this one, oh, full ribs.
1 m.
Wow.
50 cents. 1 meter of ribs for 850 bahts. For somebody who likes to eat, very
But
nice
look
value.
at the place.
I mean, yeah,
Full
look,
house.
full house. Okay, let's find some dessert somewhere here. Coconuts. We're gonna find something nice to have a dessert now. But the market is actually very enjoyable. And it's pretty big actually in the city center. So as I mentioned, this is the market. Pretty big, as you can see. In the background, where is the lights, there are towers and condominiums and the office towers and stuff like this one. There is the fruit bar and fruit juice bars and coconut. But here, yo, what's up? Hello, hello, another YouTuber, hello. Roy. Okay, what I was mentioning about this one, the ganja bar. Actually, it's not ganja bar to be honest. It's just the bar selling the beers and all of this stuff. But as the bonus, they have a coffee machine inside. We could have a coffee here. How cool is actually that? Yo, what's up? Okay, let's go. More and more cool stuff. Very cool actually market, one of the, I could say, the most enjoyable. Well, probably one thing what is different here than any other markets in different countries especially is that as you have a bars just next to it, which is actually very interesting. Check this out. Even you can have a little candle and everything, and they're even selling the pizzas and the ice creams and everything, Japanese crepes, and as I said, bars, wines, coffees. Look, this one looks like in Bali. Here we go, like a little lounge where you can enjoy in the middle of the big city of Bangkok. How cool is this actually, isn't it? Oh yeah, and the market is that big, it's never ending. So cool. And I can see it, big skyscrapers everywhere around, as you can see actually. So you know that as we are in the middle of the big city. This little bar here have a lot of liquors from any kind of liquors. With the huge 2-liter bottle of Jack Daniels, a 3-liter one actually. How cool is this? I'm not really into alcohol, you know, everybody watching me as I'm not really drinking, but it's just like a little bit totally different from wherever else I saw the markets with the foods like this one. Okay, they're having ribs here. cool. As you can see, every single place is packed, and if you are coming already after the sunset, I believe you really need a lot of luck to having
Just
a
like that.
space. Yeah, they enjoying.
Just like that.
Just like that, on the middle of the table, you have it, the food.
Oh,
So
they
cool
grilling
ribs, isn't it?
pork ribs.
It looks actually very tempting, very nice. But like I just wanted to say, it's nearly not possible to find a table. We found out the place where they are selling. This is like they're putting the meat like this one, huh?
The mountain of ribs.
Mountain of ribs. Interesting. And this is the mountain of lobsters.
Look at the people eating.
Yeah,
Full
the
house.
thing so busy. Check this out. This lobsters actually looks beautiful. I will zoom it a little bit for you as well. This one looks like this one, so cool. And well, all of those places are very successful here.
Oh, look at this. Wow.
Cool, yeah?
Yeah.
So cool. People enjoying the time.
They have a nail art also.
Yeah, you can make yourself a nails here while eating, after eating actually, yeah. Why not? So overall, that's how does it look like here in the market. This is the one of the edge. Here we go. Some people, some girls making a pictures actually. Here we go. Why not? And yeah, this is actually, how does it look? The market everywhere around, 360 like. So they are filming there, but also here is like a bigger space area for sitting. They even have a live music, as you can see, somewhere here. Over there, the guys actually playing on the guitars. Actually, very cool market, I'm gonna tell you guys, after being here for a while. Here in the corner, they have a very cool looking little kiosk, like a little house. This guy is selling the ice cream, and there is also like some juices or something, I don't know, actually ice cream. This fella over here cooking the burgers. Also with the, hello, this lady, hello. Very beautiful.
Wow, what I can say, this place is super vibrant and packed of people. Wow. Whenever you come to Bangkok, guys, this place has to be your bucket list because the food, what I can say, is very affordable. We spend around 200 bahts for all, yeah. Drinks and also 2 kinds of satay, for my satay and also yours. So yeah.
At the end, after you finish your business in the market, you can take a taxi or tuk-tuk or any other transportation option. But remember, the traffic jams are actually pretty busy. But we're gonna come back by the metro, 2 stations back to Asok, and then go to our place by BTS. I highly recommend it like this one. At least you avoid the traffic jams. Some people even driving in Bangkok the cars, they owning the cars, but still using the public transport, especially during the rush hours. Also, you can rent these boys here. This is like scooter taxis. They have a special jackets with the numbers. Also, some people just sitting at the front of the tower and like this one on the street and enjoying their food and drinks. Why not? Because everything is possible. This is big city life.
Even like in the middle of hustle and bustle, traffic jam everywhere, and we were in the night market and we can feel the breeze. Bangkok is very enjoyable, big city life.
Even it's messy, it's very enjoyable. Really, if you never try, I recommend it to try. Well, we're gonna make more videos from Bangkok and Thailand in general. Thank you so much for watching today. I will see you tomorrow as always. See ya. Take care, guys. Sayang, where are you? In BTS.
สถานีต่อไป
Nana.